how to fix color changes after One UI 8 update on your Samsung phone. So if you have happened to update your device and the color changes or it looks washed out or pale, then here's what you can do to fix it. So swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on display. In here, you may want to try to turn off or turn on adaptive brightness. That changes the brightness of the screen. Another thing that you can do is scroll down, and in here you can try to turn on or turn off adaptive color tone. You can see that will changes the color when you switch it on or off. Another thing is the screen mode. Now when you update, it may reset back to natural color. So if you previously used vivid color, you can turn it on, so you can set it back to vivid color. Now with the white balance, you can adjust the color. So just go back and turn off adaptive color tone. In here, you can go into vivid mode and you'll be able to manually change the color in here. So as you can see, okay, so you can manually change the color or you can turn on adaptive color tone. Okay, so that's another thing that you can check. Now another thing is in accessibility settings, some settings may get changed. So go back to settings and scroll down to accessibility, tap on accessibility, and then we tap on vision enhancements. And in here, look for anything that may trigger a color change on your device, such as color inversion or color correction. Make sure it is turned off. If it is turned on, you can see some colors changes will appear in here. So switch it off. You can see when I turn it on, the colors changes. So turn off color correction. If you got color filter turn on, then make sure it is switch off. Okay, so give that a try and see if that can fix the color on your Samsung phone after update to One UI 8. Thank you for watching this video.